Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can allow apps to access the storage on Android device. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open the Settings app on your mobile device and scroll down towards bottom. Now select the Privacy tab from here and you can see there are various features present. In order to allow storage permission, open the Permissions Manager from this page and all of the permission categories will be present here. Now scroll down a bit and select Photos and Videos. Now you can see there are some apps present that have the media permissions. In order to remove or allow an app's permission, tap on the app tile and select the preferred option. You can also see that in the Files section, I am able to see a number of apps that have storage access. As you can see, if I select ZArchiver, I am able to remove its permission. That's how you can allow apps to access the storage on Android device. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.